In this topic, we are going to learn about templates in C++. Hello everyone, this is Aismant from skillsgrow.com. The topics that we are going to learn are what is a C++ template, types of C++ templates, uses of C++ templates. What is a C++ template? To know this, first we have to know what is a template. A template is a blueprint or formula for creating a generic class or a function. Templates are the foundation of generic programming. That is, it involves writing code in a way that is independent of any particular type. The generic programming have been developed by using C++ templates. Now, let us look into the types of C++ templates. There are three types. The first one is function template, and the next a class template, and the final one is variable template. Let us discuss about them in detail. What is a function template? Function templates are special functions that can operate with generic types. The generic type allows to create a function template whose functionality can be adapted to more than one type without repeating the entire code for each type. The syntax for function template is given below. The next type of template is class template. Class templates are helpful when a class defines something that is independent of data type. But where it can be used? It can be useful for classes like stack, queue, array, and etc. And these are similar to the function templates. The syntax for the class templates. Now we will move on to variable template. A variable template defines a family of variables or static data members. A variable template may be introduced by a template declaration at namespace scope where the declaration declares a variable. Variable template cannot be used as a template argument. And finally, let us know about the uses of C++ templates. These are generally used to implement containers. It allows a function or class to work on many different data types. It provides functions with a framework. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for more content from us.